What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's had a great day. I want to first start off by thanking all you guys who have subscribed to my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, hit that subscribe button for me. Okay guys, so today we're going to be adding a roof basket to my Toyota Highlander. I went with the one with the Harbor Freight because it's pretty close to me and it's really easy to get to. It's very similar to the one on Amazon called Max Haul. So I'll put a link in the description below to the one that's on Amazon. It makes it easier for you guys to get, but it's the same one as at Harbor Freight. Anyways, I got it today. I'm about to put it together and put it on the roof and see how it turns out. All right, here we have the Haul Master. Whoa. Okay, so this, like I said, I got from Harbor Freight. And actually, it looks like it's pretty fairly easy to put together. We need to get these zip ties off. Some plier. Should be pretty easy to install, guys. Shouldn't take very long. It actually got good reviews on Amazon and on Harbor Freight. Pretty solid. This is our center section and our hardware and our front section. Actually, it's pretty wide, so actually pretty nice. I was worried about it being too narrow, but it actually looks like it's pretty wide. Go ahead and take this. Oh man. Don't want that to stick to it. Pull it up nice and slow. Oh, come on. Oh, I hate when stickers do this. Oh no. Oh. Ugh. That sucks. But no problem. I have something that will solve the look of this. So I was kind of hoping this sticker was not going to be on here. Because I actually have something in mind that I want to put in the front instead of this. So let me get this off, guys, and we'll continue. Huh. Oh yes. Wow. Cool. Like I said, I have something else in mind for this. Here's the box with the hardware included. Piece right here. Have our center piece. So these basically just go inside the holes. Line them up. Put them together so you don't smash your fingers. The other end. Line these up like so. And bam. Cool. And we have our hardware. So I'm assuming, yeah, these screws just go in here, mallet, screwdriver, yeah. So when we put these sleeves on, these apparently, that's where you gotta read the instructions. I guess these help with water going inside here. So we need to come take these apart again. Okay, so these go over here. Okay. Go ahead and attach our screws. Scoot them back. And now we can attach this to this. And this. Oh, don't want it to get a teeter-totter. Okay. What's going on here? Sorry, I'm just fighting this. Oh, duh. The only bad thing I have to say about this so far is some of the holes are not lining up correctly. Like this one, I'm about to drill a hole for it, and on the other side, it doesn't look like they're in the right spot, and it's already pushed all the way back. That hole lines up, so like that hole right there lines up, but there's no hole here. So that's the only downfall so far, is the holes are not in the correct location. And this goes on the crossbar. Ew, I did it wrong. So this goes on like this. This goes on like this. Now this goes on like this. This one goes here. This clips in here. This goes over. This goes under. That way. How's that? Wow, that looks pretty even right there. Go ahead and tighten it up right there. Snug them down. These actually go over the top, like so. Keep moisture from going inside there and rotting those away. It looks pretty good, but we need to finish off the top. Good looking stickers. So I'm gonna put some of these on here and just kind of make it our own, make it different, and you know, make it unique. So can't go wrong with any of this. Alright guys, so the roof rack is installed and it actually looks really nice on the Highlander. I'm about to go drive it real quick, make sure there's not very much wind noise. If there is wind noise, you can always adjust the basket forward or back to kind of eliminate the wind noise. So I do expect it to have a little bit, but I'm just hoping it doesn't have it too loud to where it's annoying and I have to remove it, but we'll find out right now. But yeah, as far as right now, it looks good, and let's go find out what it sounds like. All right, so I'm driving it around and I hear a little bit of wind noise, but it's not bad at all. It's not bad enough to where I would remove it or adjust it somewhere else. So I think I'm gonna leave it right there where it's at. It actually sounds pretty good. I've been going about 60, 65, and even on the freeway, 70, 75, and you can definitely hear it, but it's not loud, so it's not annoying. It's not something I would remove, so I'm gonna leave it. Like I said, I'm gonna put the products in the link in the description below on where you can get the roof basket I have. and for the stickers as well, to kind of give you guys a unique look. If you want to go that route, if not, you can just remove the stickers or leave the stickers on. But please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.